Okay, we're doing a 21 Savage rebuild in 2K21. It doesn't look exactly like him because, well, you can't get a cross on your head. I would say it looks pretty good. But the only reason, see, I think it looks pretty good. But the only reason that it doesn't look like I did get a tattoo right here for his neck, but you can't see it. But then right here on his head where the cross is supposed to be, well, you can't get a cross on your head in 2K. So that's actually not available. So then, yeah, that's the only, like, problem. But one thing that I don't like about it is that, well, have you been seeing my dunks that I've been doing on my TikTok? Go follow that. That's Sam Jones 3184. Go follow that. But then go watch those videos of me dunking with my Shaq rebuild. It was pretty good. I put like 3 people under the dunk bus. I am on Philadelphia because, yeah. And my number is 29 because 21 Savage's age is 29, so yeah. I'm at 80 overall. Pascal. No, you do not. No. You do not get. That's a foul. Did you see that? That was a foul. That was a big fat foul. Yeah, I wasn't there to go in because 21 Savage is the slowest human being on earth. So, how are we getting whooped by Toronto? Yeah, this should not be happening. Nice, 21 Savage. For some reason, it still says Shaquille O'Neal. I don't know why in my thing, but it does. Okay, Scotty Barnes. I'm gonna get revenge. There's my revenge. Slam that down. 21 Savage, let's go. Let's go. That's my revenge. Scotty Barnes, next time, just don't know. Oh, now I'm gonna have to get revenge on OG Anunoby. Does OG stand for like, what is that even? Oh, I mean, it says name, but it should stand for something, but it doesn't. I mean, it shouldn't because it says name, but still. Oh, dang. Dang, they're actually taking over. Oh, pass. That's a... Did you see that? That was definitely a foul. These refs are trash. I thought that was going in. I've had 2 bad calls so far. I'm literally benched. My mid-range is not good. Well, and I didn't even have any energy, so can't really say anything. We're getting whooped by Toronto. I was trying to do a reverse though, because I've already done one. Tried to do another, and then I was like, well, he's already got body contact, so I'm just going to lay it up. Yo, you can't guard 21 Savage. I thought Joel wasn't going to catch that for a sec. Why do they call me O'Neal? I'm 21 Savage. Bro, I don't have any energy. I can't make any layups. That would have been rigged if he made that, honestly. I was like 89% smothered, I would say. Philadelphia just doesn't pass. Tough bucket. Whew. Oh, that was the second quarter. This is going to be part 1 of the rebuild. You can watch for part 2.